So the discussions are gathering steam. FIFA is toying with the idea of staging the World Cup finals every 2 years instead of every 4 years. And obviously, FIFA is being driven by financial considerations. The World Cup finals is a massive cash cow, raking in millions and millions of dollars for the governing body. The assumption must be that having the World Cup every 2 years would increase FIFA's profit margin significantly. Another elephant in the room must be the fact that club football at the moment is dominating the space between the World Cup finals. The Champions League in particular earns millions for UEFA, and its popularity is skyrocketing with all the big spending clubs and the superstar players. I can't help feeling that FIFA is feeling a little bit jealous of the Champions League and the other European competitions, both in terms of popularity and earning power. So basically, FIFA is coming for their piece of the pie. And obviously, the logistics would take some time to work out, and the calendar would have to be restructured. Some tournaments will have to be scrapped. But it's long time, me personally, I say 4 years too long to wait for the World Cup. Me want it every 2 years. I cannot wait so long to see Messi flop again. You mad?